Hello kids. Look at the picture and guess the missing vowel. Let's learn and spell 3-letter words together. Are you ready for this fun game? Let's start. Look at the picture. It is a pot. Here, vowel is missing. P, T, which letter completes the word? It is O, P, O, T. Pot. Can you say it again? P is for pot. 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 Look at the picture. It is a dog. Here, vowel is missing. D, G, which letter completes the word? It is O, D, O, G. Dog. Can you say it again? D is for dog. 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 Look at the picture. It is hop. Here, vowel is missing. H, P, which letter completes the word? It is O, H, O, P. Hop. Can you say it again? H is for hop. 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 Look at the picture. It is a rod. Here, vowel is missing. R, D, which letter completes the word? It is O, R, O, D. Rod. Can you say it again? R is for rod. 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 Look at the picture. It is a fox. Here, vowel is missing. F, X, which letter completes the word? It is O, F, O, X. Fox. Can you say it again? F is for fox. 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 Look at the picture. It is hot. Here, vowel is missing. H, T, which letter completes the word? It is O, H, O, T. Hot. Can you say it again? H is for hot. 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 Look at the picture. It is jog. Here, vowel is missing. J, G, which letter completes the word? It is O, J, O, G. Jog. Can you say it again? J is for jog. 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 Look at the picture. It is a box. Here, vowel is missing. B, X, which letter completes the word? It is O, B, O, X. Box. Can you say it again? B is for box. 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 Look at the picture. It is fog. Here, vowel is missing. F, G, which letter completes the word? It is O-F-O-G. Fog. Can you say it again? F is for fog. 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 Look at the picture. It is a log. Here, vowel is missing. L, G. Which letter completes the word? It is O, L, O, G. Log. Can you say it again? L is for log. 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 Great job, kids! You learned many new 3-letter words today. See you in the next fun quiz.